Today our topic is exponents investigation. Our learning target is how can I discover the exponent laws? Alright, for our exponent rules pattern investigation, we have a couple questions we need to answer first. So, here we have a nice description of what a power and an exponent is. So this whole piece right here, 3 to the 4th power, that's how you say it. We don't say 3, 4, we don't say 3 to the 4, we say 3 to the 4th power, okay? Now the big number, that's your base. The little number is your exponent, and the whole thing together, base and exponent, is called a power. Okay, so identify the base in 3 to the power of 4. Well, that's going to be your big number, the 3. And what information does it give you? What does it tell you? It tells you the number you're multiplying together. So here, 3 to the 4th power means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So it's the number being multiplied. Okay. Identify the exponent in 3 to the 4th power. That's going to be the little number, the 4. And what information does that tell you? Well, here we see 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it tells you the number of 3's being multiplied. So if we had 3 to the 7th power, we'd be doing 3, that's the number being multiplied, 7 times. We'd have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's how many times you would see 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. All right, so again, a reminder of our 0 rule. Anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So we could have 12 to the 0 power, that would be 1. We could have 1,000 to the 0 power, it would still be 1. Any number to the 0 power is 1. And then here's a little thing on negative exponents, which you won't need for this investigation. We'll talk later about that in our notes for our homework. Analyze and create. So I'm going to help you start each section of your investigation. So for this section, we want to write the problem in expanded form, so numbers being multiplied together, and then use it to write exponential form. So that would be like 3 to the 4th power. That's exponential form. So for our first problem, we had 2 to the 2nd power, which would be 2 times 2. And then we have 2 to the 3rd power, which would be 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so exponential form would be 2, that's your base, the number being multiplied. And how many times do we see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So it would be 2 to the 5th power. I'm going to leave you to do the next 4 and write those in exponential form. How does the base in the problem compare to the base in exponential form? So use the bolded words to help you. So how does the base in the problem compare to the base in the exponential form? So you're going to be comparing those two columns. Finish those two columns and answer the questions below. Now you can pause this while you finish, or you can watch the whole video and then complete each section. However you want to do it. But if you finish this section, then you can resume the video to watch the next section, which is dividing numbers with exponents. So I'm going to help you set this up. Our problem is 2 to the 5th power divided by 2 to the 2nd power. So we have 2 to the 5th power, 5 2's being multiplied, divided by 2 to the 2nd power. So 2 2's being multiplied. Now when you have this occurrence, division, and multiplication, the 2's on the top can cancel out the 2's on the bottom. So we can cancel out those pairs, which leave us with 3 2's left over. So exponential form would be 2 to the 3rd power because we have 3 2's left over. I will leave you to do the next examples and answer the questions. And then for our last section, we have exponents raised to an exponent. We call this power to a power. Okay? So problem is 2 to the 3rd power raised to the second power. So this is really 2 to the third power times itself, 2 to the third power, which you see right here, okay? Which means we have 2 to the third power, so 3 2's, being multiplied by 2 to the third power, so 3 more 2's. Exponential form, this would be 2 to the 6th power because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. Okay? To help you set up the next one, because this one is a little bit more difficult, we have 2 to the second power raised to the third power, which would really be 2 to the second power times 2 to the second power times 2 to the second power. We want to see 1, 2, 3 of the thing in parentheses. So then that would be 2 to the second power, which would be 2 times 2, times itself, 2 to the second power, so 2 times 2 again, times one more time, 2 to the second power, so 2 times 2. How many 2's do we have together? 6. So this would be 2 to the 6th power. That is all the help that I will give you in the video. If you have any more questions, feel free to raise your hand, but this will help you start your exponent investigation. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.